In this particular video, I will be reviewing JoinSecret. So JoinSecret is a kind of service. You can't say service, but a kind of organization that helps you to get discounts for various different application SaaS tools for very generous price. Basically, most of these discounts are for new user, but in this particular video, I will show you everything that you need to know about this deal and how you can take advantage of this for your own benefit. By the way, I have reviewed another service called LVRG, where you can get very good discount when it comes to Zoom, Active Campaign, Aweber, Zapier, and etc. tools. So you can check out that review video as well. But yeah, so today our main attention is JoinSecret. So let me look into it. So if you scroll through the JoinSecret dashboard, you will see many cool deals over here. Like this one is available for existing customers as well. Like $5,000 AWS credit for 2 years, which is insane. Like if you are developing on AWS and then getting this unlimited package, I will go on to their packages, is a very good deal. Then Airtable, Stripe, like I claim this Notion offer where I get $1,000 credit for absolutely free, not free. I paid for JoinSecret, but yeah, from Notion it was absolutely free. Just I had to enter my credit card into it and it was done. I claimed this DigitalOcean credit, though this was not available for existing customers, but I can show you how you can get this if you are not running a team plan. So this one is for team plan. If you're not using DigitalOcean team plan, using personal plans like me, like I was using, then this one is good for you. So let me go into step by step. So let's first of all go through their pricing. If you look at their pricing, they also have free deals, like they start from $0, then $40 where you get access to Slack, Canva, and these kind of deals. $99. So this is my plan, my current plan. I am paying $99. I paid $99 and I have to pay $39 per month to maintain this plan, but I'm not quite happy with it, by the way. So let's start with this. Like, so I paid around $80. I have a coupon which is SurfSaaS 20, SURF 20, SURF SAAS 20. If you apply that, you will get $20 off for your first year purchase, and you can also support channel through this. I just made a small deal with them, so yeah, quite comfortable for me. So basically, you need to look for your services that you want to try. So basically, I wanted Notion and DigitalOcean. Notion gave me $1,000 credit. Meanwhile, I was planning to purchase Notion yearly plan, which is around, I think, $5 a month. It would be around $60 a year. Then DigitalOcean, wanna just pick it up, add some credits in, and I got $250 credit for 1 year. So I kind of make my money back from these two offers, but you have to look into it which one you wanna go. So let me go ahead and show you all the offers. Here you go, view all deals. So I will link this up below as well. So you need to go to this link, joinsecrets.com/offers. Here you can just go ahead and check what kind of deals you want. Like unlimited plan, which is $199 upfront. You deduct that 20% off, like $160 upfront, then $40 yearly, right? In this particular one, you will get $5,000 AWS, Airtable, Stripe, IBM, OVH, Microsoft, kind of hosting platforms over here. And Airtable is a kind of Google Excel sheet, kind of databases into Excel, right? So kind of coding, but no coding. So yeah, so these are some things, like 6 tools. And personally, I thought like I will be using this AWS credit, but then I came to know I'm not good at that particular development level. So I resisted and got to the premium deal, which is the one I'm using. And this is how it works, like $1,000 Notion credit. And I'm thinking of Typeform, but I do not have any use case right now, so I'm just using a simple Google form. But yeah, soon enough I will be using this as well. Then Sendinblue, Miro, I'm not using this platform. Then DigitalOcean is a good one. Airtable, $500 credit, still $500 credit is enough for you. 90-day free business plan or Hotjar, web, you will get these kind of deals. But now, by the way, how you can get these deals? Let's suppose I want this customer.io. Now when you click on it, before purchasing, you need to look into the deal requirements. You must be a B2B or B2C startup with the high volume of emails. So you need to look into, if you are running a startup with a high volume of emails and you must not be an existing customer of it, then you can easily get this deal. If I click on this get access deal, So here you go. So they give me, an email aside with this. Send us your website URL so we can review your eligibility first. So they will review your site. Then after going from that, they will give you the offer. So offers depend from one to one. Like I got image SEO from here. What image SEO? For image SEO, just got a direct link. Like I just landed on the site. They give me a coupon. I filled that in. Here you go, image SEO. I filled that in. Here you go. I had the plan. So it really depends. And before making the decision, like I want this tool, you make sure you go ahead and read their terms. Let's suppose if I want to show you the Notion terms and DigitalOcean terms, Notion, and let me type out the question. It is very easy. You must have a website live, a live website, and here you go. I just submitted my live site. And for DigitalOcean, you must not be a current customer of Team Plan. I confirmed this. Not confirmed, but kind of I used it. I had a current plan, but I got the team account on it, and you need a business email, not a free gmail.com email. So here you go. Hey, and let me show you my live experience as well. So I'm inside Zoho Mail. So I already typed JoinSecret over here to show you. Like here we go. I went into it. Not this one. Delete. This is just invite. This is again an invite. Hey, this one is, here you go, this thread. I said I want to get a, and then they came back to me, hi Sharaj, you can get the DigitalOcean. So they give me this form that I have to fill up. Like this was very big form at DigitalOcean, around 40 pages into it, and I had to give my Notion membership confirmation by the end of it. And within 2 to 3 hours I got the membership, but it depends on timing and things, right? Then here you go. I wrote some Notion credit article as well. So I used image SEO, DigitalOcean, Notion credit. So yeah, this is how conversation goes over here. And I claimed my things up. So is it worth it to purchase this membership or not? So let me give you a simple and clear answer. If you log in, you find the application which you so you are eligible for it, and make sure you get about 2 to 3 applications that you're going to use. And if you think you are eligible and you think it will be worth the price to go ahead and pay the cost, then yeah, go ahead and make the deal. For example, I think this one, this Typeform deal is one that I can get benefit from. I already covered my money from DigitalOcean and Notion. SEMrush is 1 month. This is free premium deal. Like this is available on other sites as well. So yeah, you need to look into it and other sites as well. But yeah, they are giving very good and generous deals. If I talk about pros and cons, all are pros, nothing cons. Like I did not find any con into it. I will not say this service is absolutely perfect, but I claim 2 discount. I did not pay it, didn't got any kind of trouble. So yeah, very good tool. At the end, I will highly recommend you to have the membership. You can use the link sharaz.link/secret, and you will that's my affiliate link, of course, given in the description box below. So that's all about this video. I hope you like my review about this service called Secret. If you're someone who want to get these SaaS discounts, you can go ahead and subscribe to this particular channel. We have, I think, 110 subscribers right now, and we will keep on growing and posting videos like that. And you can also check out my LVRG review, where you can get discount on Zoom if you are existing customer there. That one is really crazy. So you can check that video out as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.